Xfinity remote not working, how to fix it. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to check your batteries. So replace with fresh AA or AAA batteries and make sure they're inserted correctly, such as the positive and negative ends are aligned. Now, second thing you can do is to do a power cycle. So turn off your TV and Xfinity box, unplug both first 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Then try the remote control again. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is to repair the remote. So, if it's a voice remote such as XR15 or XR11, press and hold setup until the LED turns green and then press A, enter the pairing code shown on screen. Now, if you're using XR2 or XR5 remotes, press and hold setup until the LED turns green and then enter 981 to reset and then repair. Now, if this doesn't work as well, another thing you can do is to reset your remote. So hold setup until the LED turns green and then enter 981 to factory reset. And if all the mentioned solutions doesn't work, the last option that you have is to try a different remote. If you have another Xfinity remote, test it to rule out hardware failure. And that is how you can basically fix Xfinity remote not working.